Hey guys, Emilio from Bambi Baby, and we are a signature shop for Veer. We just finished setting up this display at all 3 of our locations, and I'm going to do an unboxing. We just received the switchback and the end rule to put into the display, and I want you to see step by step how this is done. Hey guys, it's very simple. Just open the box. It comes with its manual. The manual you can read, you can not, but it's so simple that I didn't read it. The belly bar comes inside that manual box. Just unpack it, take the plastic off, put it to the side, and wait to attach it to your switchback seat. Pull out the switchback seat, comes wrapped in a plastic bag. Just remove it from that bag entirely. It comes almost pre-assembled. There's nothing to do to it except unpack it, attach the belly bar back into it, and you're ready to go. It does have an adjustable footrest for purpose of sitting it. We're not going to be adjusting it currently. So just place it on the ground, connect your belly bar, and that's it. The switchback seat is fully assembled and ready to go. The last step you have to do is in the bottom of the box, you have the canopy. So again, just pull the plastic off, get the canopy out. It lines up very, very simple to the switchback seat right on the sides. I'll grab the switchback seat, bring it on in, and it literally just clips on. Once it's clipped on, you're going to be fully assembled. So line it up, drop it into place, clip on both sides, and it's that simple. The switchback seat is all 100% set up. To set up the end roll, again, is very simple. Just make sure you cut open the tape so you can peel the box open. I've already pre-done that. Here it is, just opening it up. Again, the manuals are right there, very easy to have access to, but you'll see how simple this actually is. It comes super well packed with this corrugated honeycomb boxing, which is super nice. Unpack the wheels. There's going to be 4 of them. And again, all you have to do is remove the plastic, put them aside, and we'll bring them back to use in a little bit. Again, the packaging is spectacular on this. It almost feels like you can drop it from anywhere and you're going to receive your Veer wagon in perfect condition. Pull out the frame, bring down the plastic, remove it completely, and the frame is fully assembled. There is nothing to do to it except pop on some wheels. So we'll put it to the side. I'll take out the plastics off afterwards. Bring out the rest of the wheels, which is 4 of them, obviously, 2 front, 2 rear. Just unpackage them, put them down to the side. Again, very simple step. Once you have all 4 wheels unpacked, the rear wheels are super simple to just insert. I like to flip the frame over on its side to get the rear wheels on first. It's very, very simple. Press the button on the top of the wheel and they slide in so the axle will insert very, very easily. Do the same thing to the other side. Flip it over, press the button again. It's a little foam button. It inserts the axle. Stand up your stroller. Your lock is on the left side of the frame. Just unlock it, open it up. At that point, flip it onto the handle so you have full access to the front wheels. Then no need to press anything, just line up the axles, insert them, and you're all done. That's it. There's no more assembly. It's literally just pop 4 wheels on and you're done. I'll unpack the rest of the foaming protection so you can see it, and we're as simple as complete. Once you have it there, very simple. Push the 2 buttons on the front wheels to make them swivel. I'll grab my switchback seat and just insert it. It was that simple for a full, complete setup of the switchback seat and the Veer end roll. We will have the end jog coming soon and the end bike coming soon, but you're done. And that's it. It was that simple to do the full assembly of the Veer Switchback and attach it to the end roll.